Isa lang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Sigurado ka? Safe ka na?
Sigurado po.
Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office.
This is where it all began. Senator Jinggoy Estrada asked if any senators were involved, and Curly Discaya confidently replied, "None, sir. I'm sure of it." Senator Marcoleta even said, "You're safe now." But in a dramatic turn during the TRICOM hearing, former Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez dropped a bombshell. You are not safe. 300 million pesos was dropped, and 30% is his cut. This shocking revelation left Senator Jinggoy Estrada visibly upset and on the defensive.
Habang ako po ay nakadetain, napag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized. What is the pleasure of the gentleman?
Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. Ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, the title of my privileged speech is "No One is Safe." Mr. President, my distinguished colleagues, I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege. Tama nga nagbigay ng babala sa akin. I am an easy target. Kaya isang araw pagkatapos ko sabihin na dapat i-contempt ang sinungaling na si Bryce Hernandez, tumakbo siya sa Kongreso sa mababang kapulungan para ilako ang isang kwento na sa tingin niya ay madaling paniwalaan. Mr. President, my dear colleagues, if my opponents think that they can weaponize me, that they can weaponize my past to stop me from investigating, nagkakamali sila.